Hello, everyone, and welcome to Nana's Easy AI. And today we are going to learn a quick digital superpower: how to take a screenshot. Think of a screenshot as taking a quick photograph of whatever is on your phone screen right now. Maybe it's a recipe you want to save, a beautiful text from a grandchild, or a confirmation page after buying something. You don't need a pen and paper, you just snap a picture of it. I use this feature a lot to share with ChatGPT or Google Gemini. It's easier to show screenshot than try to describe what I see on the phone or the computer screen. Before big purchase, I screenshot of the item and ask, and let AI do the research and explain to me. First, let's look at the iPhone and learn what these buttons do. On the left side of your phone, there's 3 buttons. If you have an older phone, you may see only 2 buttons. Don't worry. The Action button at the top. This is the small singular button at the very top of the left side. It replaces the old silent switch found on older iPhones and is highly customizable. By default, this toggles silent mode on or off. However, you can change it in your settings to do almost anything, like opening the camera, turning on the flashlight, starting a voice memo, or running a specific shortcut. To change setting, go to Settings, Action button to choose a new task. I am fine with silent mode, so I left alone. Didn't do anything. Next button is volume up, lower button is volume down. To take a picture of your screen, we are going to use 2 buttons at the exact same time. Look on the right side of your phone for the long side button. Now, look on the left side for the volume up button. Here is the secret trick. You want to give them a quick, simultaneous click and release. Let's do it together. Click and let go. See that flash? A little square picture will pop up in the bottom left corner. Don't worry about touching it. It will slide away on its own and save automatically inside your regular Photos app, right in your camera roll. Now, if you have a Samsung Galaxy phone, it's just as easy, but the buttons are in a slightly different spot. Look on the right side of your phone. There are 3 buttons. You'll see the volume up and down buttons and power button. Just like the iPhone, you want to press volume down and power button together for a quick split-second tap. Do not hold them down or your phone will think you're trying to turn it off. Just a quick click and release. The screen flashes and your picture is safely tucked away inside your Gallery app in a folder called Screenshots. Now, if squeezing those buttons at the same time feels a little clumsy or hurts your fingers, don't worry. Technology has a wonderful shortcut for us. We can just ask our phones to do it. If you have an iPhone, you can say, "Hey Siri, take a screenshot." And if you have a Samsung, you can say, "Hey Google, take a screenshot." Try it right now. Your phone will do all the heavy lifting for you.
Hey Siri, take a screenshot.
Hey Google, take a screenshot.
Practicing this a few times makes it second nature. If it doesn't work on the first try, just pause the video, take a breath, and try that quick click again. You've got this. If this tip made your digital life a bit easier, please hit that subscribe button below so we can keep learning together. Until next time, this is Nana, reminding you that technology doesn't have to be hard. Thank you for watching, and God bless you.